Now you guys have learned the interface of motion, but you have to learn the filters. Filters are the core essential things of making the transitions. So in motion you want to see different kinds of filters. In simple languages, filters are effects which you want to put in the timeline so that you guys can make your transitions. So in filters, you want to see different kinds of categories, and all of these are different kinds of effects. Basically, in simple language, all of these are effects which you can use to make your transitions. So one of the core things of learning and making a new transition is that you have to test out different kinds of effects together in permutation combination, maybe mix some and remove some and see what kind of effect it makes to make a new transition. That is what most people use to make a new transition in Final Cut Pro. All you have to do is learn all these effects and see what it does, and then after that play with them to make your new transition. So this is your homework. Make sure to play with every effect which is there in motion and see what it does. Once you learn and see what it does, it is super easy for you to make any kind of transitions out there, not just glitch transitions. But for this mini course, we want to learn glitch transitions specifically and see how to make this in a very detailed way, just like this transition. It is pretty amazing, right? So we want to learn how to make this glitch transition in motion very easily, and you want to learn this in the next module.